Hello again, everyone. This is me, Ashana. Our job for interview is scheduled tomorrow, 4/17. That would be Thursday. So this is a cleaning company. So you will be responsible for cleaning houses or apartments. So we're looking for two people only for this, and the office is located in Setagaya Ward in Tokyo. The working time schedule will be from 8:30 a.m. to 1800, and the salary for this starts from 231,000 yen, 880. So there will be bonus also. So for the interview, you must at least speak basic to conversational Japanese for this. So anyone looking for a cleaning job, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow for 17 Thursday. So the interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So please comment down below if you are interested. Thank you.